Well, this is what the Urus looks like when we're busy putting the wide body kit onto it. But what does it feel like to drive when it's all done? Before we take this Urus out for a drive, why don't we listen to the performance exhaust? It has a button that you can press that opens the flaps, turning it from neighbor friendly to neighbor hating mode. Driving off in Strada mode, which is sort of the more sophisticated mode, doesn't scare people just yet. This is the first time for me driving a Lamborghini Urus. I've always wondered what this car actually feels like driving. Been in the Huracan and in the SVJ, and it was quite a brutal experience, must say. The Huracan was a bit more relaxed, but the SVJ was downright crazy. And if you haven't seen that video, do yourself a favor, the link's up there. Bloody heck. Sport Corsa. Immediately you can hear things going a little bit stiffer. Yeah, I know. You're waiting for me to step on it. Holy smoke! This is quick. For an SUV, this is stupid quick. Whew. No ways. Speechless. I don't think you mind. Not with this soundtrack. Next town. This exhaust of ours makes this car bonkers. I have never, ever, ever, ever heard anything like this. And here we go. I probably would choose this over a Huracan because of the versatility, because you can have more adventure with this car. This is versatility on four wheels. Very nice and loud versatility. You can go places, and it has different modes here. You can drive off-road. When it turns winter and starts snowing, the roads get ice, you can probably still go out for a little drive in the mountains or whatnot, and it can do all of that. This car's got more than 1,000 Newton meters. You can feel every single one kicking me in my coccyx. Mental. Good mental, if there is such a thing. With the flaps open, it sounds like there's a gun battle going on in my boot. Foot on the brake, full gas, and oh my God. Let's go have a quick talk about this gorgeous beast. You sexy machine. So there we have it. This is the NOVITEC Lamborghini Urus wide body. It's driven by a 4-litre twin turbocharged V8 engine, and with that performance package it now churns out 782 horsepower and 1032 Newton meters of torque. That is a crazy amount of torque. No wonder this thing shoots like a rocket. But that's what happens under the hood over there. The sound you've heard already, it's got a complete new exhaust system from us with flaps that you can regulate into I love you or I hate you mode by the touch of a button. On the outside, you can see the entire car just looks so much wider. It's got that brutal wide stance, sort of bully look. And that's thanks to the wide body kit. On the sides, you can see here on the wheel arches just how it bulges out. The side skirt at the bottom also giving a wider stance. And then we've got some carbon bits here, the carbon mirror caps, these bits over here, and the entire bonnet is actually made out of carbon fiber. This part in the middle is clear or visible carbon fiber. You get these carbon fiber inserts over here as well. Now you might have noticed the green lines on the car. Well, that is the customer's request. And if you want to see a more detailed comparison between the wide body Urus that we make and the standard Urus, you can click on this link over here, because we did make a midweek special about that. We go into details there a little bit more. Then we can see some more carbon accents with this 3-piece lip over here, as well as this wing here at the top in carbon fiber. There's a nice little piece over here as well with the Lamborghini badge on it. And then, of course, at the bottom as well, the diffuser. We have to talk a little bit about the exhaust tips of this NOVITEC Urus wide body. You can have them in either matte black as such or in silver. The difference on these ones is the fact that they are sort of squarish, as opposed to the original round ones that you get from Lamborghini. In case you would like to have some of these modifications done, maybe not all of it, maybe you'd just like to have the exhaust tips, then you can also buy these separately and actually fit onto the standard Lamborghini Urus. Before we freeze to death, let's head back to the office. But if you haven't yet done it, then like and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you on board. Don't forget, there's that little bell icon on the right hand side. If you press that, then you'll get notified every time we upload a new video. And I'd love to encourage you guys to comment. We absolutely adore your comments, even some of them being critical, but that helps us getting better. So give us your thoughts on this car, give us some creative input on our films. We'd love to hear from you. We read every single comment. Let's go. It's just so naughty. So naughty. One, the grip on this car is immense. I mean, the wide body kit includes our sport suspension, so it does ride a lot lower already, but it just feels so solid on the road. I don't feel like I'm manhandling 2 tons. This is a little bit like your teenage daughter coming home. Hey honey, how was it? Oh, thanks Dad, it was lovely. You have no idea what she got up to. Not the foggiest. Sure, there's a huge sense of willingness, even in Strada. This car just constantly reminding you the fact that I'm ready when you are. Just 100. This car is Isn't it great seeing kids by the roadside on their bicycles going like, I don't know where I am.
Please turn around.
Huh? Autobahn means giving it the beans. This is so naughty. You can't get over this sport suspension. It just makes this car feel so planted to the road. Wow, what a freaking mad thing. This car's really surprised me. Gosh. You heard that out there. This is bonkers. So how cool is it that you can have both of these in one car? Drop me a comment on what you think about this car so far. Is it too much? Do you love it? How about the sound? Let me know in the comments below. I'd be curious to see what you say. Again, if you like this video, then give us a little thumbs up, leave us some comments, and feel free to subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you guys next time on the next video. Until then, ciao.